gave us His begotten Son. Ladies and gentlemen, I did not do this talent just to impress each and every one of you, but then I did this talent to open your eyes, your hearts, your mind, your soul, that whatever challenges we may face, there is still one person who can guide us and save us from up above. And that person is none other than our Lord, Jesus Christ. Mga kaibigan, na namin nagmamahal na nanonood, nagpapasalamat ko ako dahil kahit sa konting sandali ay ginawa niya akong instrumento upang maipahayag at maipakita kung ano ang kanyang wangis. Sabi nga sa Biblia, gawa 22:5, sapagkat ikaw ay magiging saksi niya upang patutuhanan sa lahat ng tao ang iyong nakita at narinig. Maraming salamat po.